Andrew Whately is well known in furniture-making circles as being something of a genius with wood. He currently works as a technical instructor at the Royal College of Art, but prior to that he spent 13 years with John Makepeace, rising from apprentice to senior cabinet maker. However, Andrew's involvement with wood started much earlier than that.
Father died when I was about 6, so I was in the workshop before then. Must have been for 2 years at least. I made a chair when I was about 7 or 8, which my mother has still got. My father was a very good craftsman in his own right. Really, I think I was too young to appreciate the quality. But I think John Makepeace probably brought out the better side in me as far as a quality maker.
I've been aware of Andrew's genius with wood for a number of years, but I was particularly drawn to this carved shell box he recently made, which left me breathless when I touched its quality.
I was asked by the RCA to make a box for a set of 48 silver spoons. I think the most challenging thing on the shell was the hinge itself, which was trying to make it mechanically sound and accurately made enough.
As a woodworker myself, I'm used to working off straight lines, which are reference points for accurate working, but this shell box is all curves.
I worked out my reference points from the inside, from 2 flat surfaces. The edge of the ripple round the front was left as a larger piece, then carved out afterwards on something that's carved as much as the shell box. It doesn't really matter about whether things are dead perfect, as long as everything fits together.
Such a statement modestly expresses Andrew Whately's intuitive feel for wood. I was intrigued by the way the shell box was made, combining technical excellence with aesthetic beauty. And this innovative steam bent chair, which recently won Andrew the Most Comfortable Chair Award, is further evidence of his skill. The chair, which is knockdown for easy freighting, has a one-piece arm and leg assembly and experiments with an acid-etched finish to highlight the deep grain of the oak. Well, there is hardly a technical challenge in wood that Andrew Whately cannot meet, which draws the admiration of fellow woodworkers and makes his work very special.